Welcome to the Explainer. So today we're diving into a pretty fascinating question. How exactly does business intelligence transform your standard CRM from, a dusty, static database into a living, breathing, real-time engine for growth? Because let's face it, data doesn't just sit there anymore. It acts. I mean, have you ever wondered how businesses seemingly read our minds? You know the feeling. You're browsing online or using a service, and suddenly, boom, the perfect recommendation or the exact support you need just appears right at the precise moment you need it. It feels a lot like magic, right? But it's not. No way. It is entirely driven by real-time data. So let's explore exactly how the real-time applications of business intelligence are actually making this possible. To really see how this mind-reading trick actually works, we kind of have to start at the foundation. BI and CRM basically takes all that raw, chaotic customer data and distills it down into super actionable insights about behavior and preferences. Think of it like a giant puzzle. It's the absolute essential first step before we can make any of those insights happen instantly. And when we look at the flow of things, going from appraisal and pricing right on through to the final decision-making, we start to discover how BI literally touches every single point of the customer journey. It highlights things like way better segmentation and vastly optimized customer service. It really just proves that this level of intelligence makes every single interaction so much smarter. Okay, so the core applications making all of this possible really start with customer segmentation. That's basically grouping people by specific behaviors, so your marketing actually hits the mark. But, it goes a lot deeper than that. By layering in sales performance analysis, businesses can discover exactly which campaigns are working. And ultimately, this all builds into these profound customer behavior insights, where you're taking historical interactions to predict exactly what a customer is going to need next. Now, here is where the real magic happens. The shift to real-time capabilities. Businesses absolutely are not waiting around for some clunky monthly report anymore. Through live dashboards, they are literally watching customer interactions and business performance exactly as they unfold. It is an immediate, live pulse on the whole operation. Because, let's be real, the ultimate goal here isn't just to look at some fancy charts, right? It's all about speed. This setup allows for incredibly quick decision-making and ensures that customer needs are addressed promptly. It's really about seeing a challenge pop up and just solving it right there on the spot. So let's see how this actually plays out for something absolutely crucial, like customer retention. It is no longer a guessing game at all. By analyzing real-time trends, the system can spot something like a declining purchase frequency instantly. It immediately flags that at-risk customer for you, which allows the business to step in proactively and offer, say, a targeted discount or some personalized support way before that relationship is ever lost. And the contrast here is just stark. Traditional CRM is at its core fundamentally reactive. You're basically waiting for a customer to complain while relying on basic demographics. But a BI-enhanced CRM completely flips the script and empowers you to actually predict future trends, resolve issues in real time, and uncover those hidden cross-selling and upselling opportunities proactively. Now, this isn't just some abstract theory we're talking about. The absolute most successful operations in the world right now rely entirely on these exact real-time BI principles. So let's actually look at a few examples of how this plays out there in the real world. Let's map out 3 really powerful case studies here. First up, Delta Airlines. They use BI for customer experience optimization, constantly managing flight statuses and passenger needs in real time. Then you have Amazon, basically the undisputed master of personalized recommendations, instantly analyzing your browsing habits to suggest the perfect product. And of course, Netflix. They use constant, real-time data on exactly what you watch and what you skip to instantly tailor your entire homepage. These giants absolutely prove the sheer power of instant personalization. So what is our ultimate takeaway from all this? Well, integrating business intelligence into your CRM is simply the ultimate engine for modern profitability. It takes you all the way from just guessing what your customers want to actually knowing exactly what they need right this very second. It allows you to perfectly tailor your marketing and constantly drive satisfaction based on hard, real data. I really want to leave you with this final thought. Customer data is moving incredibly fast right now. If your CRM isn't learning from your customers in real time, how many opportunities are you losing every single second? Thank you so much for exploring this with me on this explainer. And hey, keep looking at the data.